Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 KNAUS DESEO. So I just want to go through a few of the features of this Caravan first of all. So it's on a twin axle with a short body length of only 5.99 metres. It fits up to 2 full-size motorcycles into the back of the Caravan. It's got a tailgate which completely opens up at the rear, and it's also got a pull-out step similar to those that you would also see on motorhomes. Now it's really, really stylish looking. It's completely unique to the Caravan market, so completely equipped to transport motorcycles, but also equipped with everything that you would expect in a Caravan. So you've got your Alco stabiliser just here, handbrake, jockey wheel and 13-pin Continental socket. You've got your gas locker at the front as well. You've got your barn door, which is always handy, and an awning light just above. Really nice and stylish alloys just there. And that will bring us back round to the back of the Caravan. So the DESEO that we're showing you today has been equipped with a motorcycle access ramp and also motorcycle holder, and there's also load tie-eyes in there as well to be able to strap your motorcycle down. So I've got the tailgate open so you can have a good look there, and we've got the access ramp out. So you've got the guide here, which is where your rear wheel will sit into, and then you've got the motorcycle holder. Essentially, you pop your wheel on, pops it up, and that can all be anchored into the ground. So you've got your load tie-eyes here as well. Again, just giving it that extra stability, so you can essentially strap items down. You can also have the DESEOs with just the load tie-eyes. Say for instance for disabled access, you've got a scooter or something and you wanted to just strap that down, you can do. Lots and lots of options that you can have with the DESEO. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the DESEO now set up as just a Caravan. So we're going to come in through the barn door just here. You've got a little locking system there which will allow you to split the door. Stylish looking door there, and as well a really big window in the door. So let's step in. Really nice sort of brownish, sort of fluffy carpet. Just above the door, it's your main control unit here, so quite simple really. You switch your 12 volt on, switch your water pump on, as long as you've filled up that internal water tank, and you can check your battery levels just here. And then you've got your Truma Vario heat control system just there. So let's have a good look round. Got the table and the stools all set up. Now the stools do just pop into that corner there, so you can keep them tidily away, and that's also where the freestanding table will stay. Plenty of cupboard space and lots of lighting. Lots of little places for you to put things. Even there. Storage under the seats just there. We've got a few cupboards and some drawers as well just here. So predominantly this will be the place where you'll pop your television if you've got one to bring in your Caravan. You've got a 230 volt socket there. You've also got what looks like a desk cap as well, so you can sort of hide any wiring away under there by the looks of it. Little USB port as well, handy for charging phones, laptops, tablets, things like that. All the windows have got fly screens and blinds. And then this window here, and also the kitchen window, it's also got a drop down blind. Some more lighting just here, perfectly placed for the dining and seating area. Then there's a roof light and a smoke alarm just here. So, for the kitchen, you've got a nice deep sink. You've also got the KNAUS branded mixer tap. Got a couple of plug sockets just here. Then you've got a switch for your lights next to it. You've got a Dometic 2 gas burner. And we've also got a full-size Dometic fridge. With a freezer compartment. Fridge will work on 12-volt gas and also mains. So just in here is where the bathroom is. So it's a wet room layout, built-in toilet and shower. Got your sink just here and plenty of wardrobe space. And a nice long mirror that comes across there. Hiya. This is a little pull-down rail, so if you've got any sort of wet items of clothing or jackets, things like that, you can just hang them directly over the shower tray. Got another roof light just up there, so letting some good light into the shower, but there also is some 12-volt lighting. Oh, and here we've got a couple of towel hooks by the looks of it. So this shower curtain, I don't normally get excited over shower curtains, however, it's got an air chamber in the curtain. So one thing that we don't like when using wet rooms anyway is the fact that the shower curtain sticks to you. It's a horrible feeling. But in this shower curtain here, there's an air chamber, so you can essentially fill that up with air and it pulls the shower curtain away from you to stop it sticking to you. Personally, I think that's a genius idea. Oh, and your shower head holder is just up there, so you pull the tap up, also works as your shower head. Got some wardrobe space just in here. And then just below that, you've got all your fuses, switches, and your internal water tank. There we have it. That's the Caravan side. What I'll do next is I'll get the Caravan set up into its sleeping areas, and we'll have a good look at that. Okay, so I've got the bed makeup all set up. So on this Caravan here, we've got a drop-down bed. So this bed does pull down. I'd say it is a generously sized double. So there's a memory foam mattress just here. And then underneath as well, you've got these nets, which you can clip up to the ceiling. So essentially, if you've got children or you're worried about sort of falling out of the bed, it is at a bit of a height, then you can sort of clip those up and safeguard yourself. Now the underneath as well does set up into a double bed. I've just simply put the freestanding table and carpets on there for now, but you know, you can get a nice bottom sheet on there and some duvets, and essentially you've got a double. And that's it really. So that was the 2022 KNAUS DESEO, a really unique, versatile Caravan, great for transporting motorcycles, but it's not just for that use. Like I say, if you've got disabilities, if you want a Caravan that's something a bit different, where you can sort of open up the back of the Caravan there, have a couple of chairs underneath, enjoy the sunshine. You know, if you're looking for a Caravan with lots and lots of storage capability and a good amount of payload, then this is certainly the right one for you. So if you'd like to pop in, have a good look round, we've got a few on display, so you can pop us an email. So my email address is christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Like I say, you can come and visit. It's at our site at Retford, situated just off the A1. Or you can give us a call. It's 01777 838 193. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. Thank you so much for watching.